आज हम पॉलिटी से रिलेटेड कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हु इज़ नोन एज फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? ऑप्शन है जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी, बी आर अम्बेडकर, राजेंद्र प्रसाद। राइट आंसर इज बी आर अम्बेडकर। हाउ मैनी शेड्यूल were there in Indian Constitution originally? Options are 10, 12, 8, 11. Right answer is 10. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental duties? Article 32, Article 51A, Article 21, Article 19. Right option is Article 51A. Who appoint the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Supreme Court. Right answer is President. Which part of Indian Constitution deal with the fundamental right? Part 3rd, Part 4th, Part 5th, or Part 2nd? Right answer is Part 3rd. Who was the first President of India? S. Radhakrishnan, Rajendra Prasad, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri. Right option is Rajendra Prasad. The concept of fundamental right in which the constitution is borrowed from which country? USA. Options are USA, UK, Canada, Ireland. Right option is USA. Who preside over the joint sitting of both houses of parliament? President, Prime Minister, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice President. Right answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which article constitution deal with the abolition of untouchability? Options are Article 15, Article 14, Article 17, Article 19. Right answer is Article 17. Who has power to dissolve the Lok Sabha? Options are Prime Minister, President, Vice President, Chief Justice. Right answer is President. Which article of Constitution empowers the President to declare emergency? Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, or Article 370? Right answer is Article 352. Which schedule of Constitution contain the list of official language? 8th schedule, 10th schedule, 12th schedule, 11th schedule. Right answer is 8th schedule. Which article provides the free compulsory education to children 6 to 14 years? Article 19, Article 21A, Article 45, Article 29. Right answer is Article 21A. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Prime Minister, President, Vice President, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is Vice President. Which article Constitution guarantee the right to constitutional remedies? Article 19, Article 32, Article 21, Article 14. Right answer is Article 32. From which country was the idea of directive principle of state policy borrowed? Options are USA, UK, Ireland, Canada. Right option is Ireland. Who administered the oath of office to the President of India? Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Vice President. Right answer is Chief Justice of India. In which year was the Panchayati Raj system was introduced in India? 1950, 1952, 1959, 1962. Right option is 1959. Which article deals with special status to Jammu Kashmir before abrogation? Options are Article 356, Article 360, Article 370, Article 371. Right option is Article 370. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Options are USA, UK, India, Canada. Right option is India. Who is the guardian of constitution? President, Prime Minister, Supreme Court, Parliament. Right answer is Supreme Court. Which article deal with equality before the law? Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, Article 17. Right answer is Article 14. Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 years? 22 amendment, 24th amendment, 52nd amendment, या 61st amendment? Right answer is 61st amendment. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the constitution? Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel. Right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which article allow the president to appoint governor? Article 351, Article 355, Article 153, Article 155, Article 161, Article 170. Right answer is Article 155. Thank you.